Dental prosthetics are also referred to as bridges and dental crowns. They are devices for the dental industry which are used to replace teeth that are injured or gone missing. The prosthetics are created to look and function just like natural teeth. They can provide patients with a natural appearance and a better chewing capability. In this short video, we'll explore how to create dental prosthetics as well as the ways they help to restore the look and functionality of the patient's smile. Making natural-looking, replacement teeth begins with an in-depth examination and analysis of the condition of the patient's mouth. The examination could involve X-rays, impressions, as well as other tests that help determine the degree of dental damage or loss. After the dentist has an accurate grasp of what the patient's requirements are, then they may begin to create dental prosthetics. The first step of creating dental prosthetics involves preparing the tooth or teeth to receive the prosthetic. This could mean removing the tooth's remaining structure and prepping the adjacent teeth to be used as the dental bridge. The dentist then takes one of the tooth prepared to be utilized to make the dental prosthetic that is custom designed. Another step towards creating natural-looking substitute teeth is to design your prosthetics to be matched with the teeth that are natural to the patient. This could mean choosing the correct hue of ceramic or porcelain material so that the replacement fits seamless with the teeth. Dental professionals may be able to consider the form and size of the natural teeth in order to design the prosthetic that looks and feels similar to natural teeth. When the prosthetic has been developed, it's shipped to a dental laboratory where trained technicians construct the prosthetic using cutting-edge techniques and components. The final product is delivered back to the dentist to make final adjustments and fit. A dentist can ensure that the prosthetic sits perfectly and securely into the mouth of the patient. This will provide patients with a natural, attractive smile and a more efficient chewing capability. One of the major benefits of dental prosthetics are their capacity to repair the appearance and function of your smile. No matter if a patient lost just one or more tooth, the prosthetic tooth could assist in filling in the gap and restore the aesthetics that a smile has. The prosthetics can help boost the patient's self-esteem and confidence, allowing the patient to smile and communicate in confidence. Apart from increasing the look of your smile, dental prosthetics contribute to protecting oral health. Dental problems or damage can result in a range of dental issues like gum disease, tooth malocclusion, and tooth decay. When replacing missing teeth, using dental prosthetics, patients decrease the chance of developing these dental health problems and also maintain the health of their smile. Dental prosthetics, in general, are useful in restoring the appearance and function of your smile. With the help of natural-looking, substitute teeth, dentists aid patients to achieve a stunning, well-maintained smile that patients can feel proud about. If you're in the demand of dental prosthetics, ensure that you speak with the right dentist. They can aid you to restore the appearance of your smile and enhance your general oral health.